I'm recording this. I just want to clarify a couple of things. And then today I'm going to use this. If you have questions that you specifically want me to go over, I'll go over those. Wednesday, I am going to go over Q1. So if I do not have that submitted by tomorrow, I am not going to take it. Because I've been very lenient with you guys, but I'm not going to take work after I've gone over the entire thing. So if you want credit for Q1, it has to be submitted through Schoology by tomorrow. I'm going to get in there and grade those sometime today and then put that grade in. And then tomorrow I'm going to use that conference to go over it. And then same thing for Q2. Q2, I'm going to use Tuesday's conference next week to go over that one. So if I don't have it by that time, I'm not going to accept it. Because I think it would be kind of silly to let you just go to the conference and you just copy stuff down and then submit it. So it has to be turned in before then. Yeah, Q2 is this week. It's not due until Sunday. But I've been very lenient and I've graded a lot of late stuff. So I just want to make sure that you guys understand there's got to be a line somewhere. The other things that I wanted to talk about, tonight I'm going to go to a webinar for College Board, and they're supposed to talk about how you guys are like submitting your test. I'm going to okay, so let me just finish my thought really quick. I'm going to figure out like how that's done, and then next week there should be a way for you guys to practice and then figure out what's the best way of uploading your test questions and that kind of stuff. So I'm going to go get information about that tonight, and then as soon as I have that information, I'm going to give it to you guys, and then next week we will do a practice run. Okay, so when trying to open Q2, okay, so if there's a broken link, I'll go back and fix that. But it is on Schoology. So it's submitted on Schoology. The other FRQs are also on Schoology, but I'll fix the broken link. Okay. So what was the other thing? Also, like, normally if I had you guys in class, just know I would be giving you a long FRQ and a short FRQ pretty much every single day. So what I'm giving you right now is a lot less practice than normal. So I would suggest you go ahead and maybe pull like even 2019's FRQs and kind of work through those. Now, the only thing that you can't really do is electrochem, but you can still do redox. I do fully expect to see that on the test. Trying to think if there's anything else. Oh, the other thing I wanted to talk about. So just to clarify, okay, I gave you guys a set of a really short set of FRQs, and then a Q2, which is still an FRQ. Okay, Q2 will not have a video. I'm going to have a conference for that to go over that. The other FRQs, there's a short FRQ and 2 long FRQs, will go with a video or 2 videos that I'm going to put on Play Pose It. Now, this last round of videos, I didn't ask that you submit the work. I'm going to ask that you submit the work this time. So do the FRQs, submit the work, then go watch the videos. The videos will be up within the next day or so. I'm kind of prolonging that because I'm trying to prevent you guys from just going in there and then writing, no, I didn't miss anything. No, I didn't. You have to actually practice. That's the point of this. It's practice, and then I'm trying to go over it so that you understand what kind of mistakes you make. But if all you're doing is just trying to cheat the system, then it's for nothing. Like, we still have an exam in 2 weeks, so you need to make sure you're actually being, like, doing the FRQs first, then go watch the videos and actually, like, look to see what mistakes you're making. And, and then also when you're in the Play Pose It, be more specific. Be more specific. Like, what did you miss? Okay? Why did you miss it? What can you do to correct it? Don't just write, oh, I missed that number or that calculation. Why did you miss that calculation? What did you do wrong? Be specific. I didn't take off points this time. Next time I'm going to take off points. You need to actually be utilizing the videos and then trying to understand what mistakes you're making before you actually sit down and take the test in 2 weeks. All right, any questions on any of that stuff that I just said? Yeah, that's fine. So what I've been telling my seniors is to actually just get the app, the Cam Scanner app, and then just upload it as everything as a PDF. Then that way you don't have to like keep attaching things. You can just upload like one PDF instead.